Now moving further, if you see how the best mode of requirement is considered in these three countries. In USA, obviously we have seen that Title 35 is now dealing with a patent. Now here, the patent law requires the inventor to disclose the best way to practice the invention in a patent application. Failure to do that, it can invalidate the patent application. Under the America's Invents Act, now it is formally required by the applicant to disclose the best mode, but without invalidating the patent application. In India, it requires an applicant to disclose the best method of performing of the invention, which is known to the applicant. The applicant also required to disclose all the best mode of performing of the invention, if there is more than one in the specification. In Europe, you can see that there is no such requirement. Only one way to perform the invention must be included into the application.